Hello friends, welcome to Bright Academy for Competitive Warriors. Today's episode is the continuation for the previous episode. Let's see the first question. A certain sum invested at 4% per annum compound interest.
Compounded half yearly amounts to 7,803 rupees at the end of 1 year. The sum is.
Let's see the answer. First, we have to calculate the rate of interest for half yearly. So, percentage rate for half yearly is equal to 4 by 2, that equals to 2. Here we need to convert these 2 into fraction. For this 2 percentage is equal to 2 by 100, that equal to 1 by 50. Here 1 is interest and 50 is the principal. So total amount is equal to interest plus principal, as we know, that equal to 1 plus 50. So let's see the principal. For the first year, principal is 50 and the total amount is 51. Second year, principal remains the same 50 and the amount is 51 again. So here we need to multiply these two. 50 into 50, that is equal to 2500, and 51 into 51, that equal to 2601. In the problem, the amount is given as 7,803 rupees after 1 year. So here we need to equate this 2,601 parts to 7,803 rupees. So for this we have to calculate one part. One part is equal to 7,803 rupees divided by 2,601. That is equal to 3. So total sum is equal to 2,500 into 3. That equal to 7,500 rupees. Let's go with the another problem. The compound interest on 6,000 at 10% per annum for 1.5 years, when the interest being compound annually is. Let's see the answer. Percentage rate for annually is equal to 10%, as it is given in the problem. 10% is equal to 10 by 100. To make it fraction, it is 1 by 10. Here 1 is equal to interest, 10 is equal to principal, amount is equal to interest plus principal, that is equal to 1 plus 10. Now let's see the rate of interest for half yearly, because as it is asked in the problem for 1.5 year. So here we are calculating for one more half yearly. So rate of interest for half yearly is equal to 10 by 2, 10 for 1 year as we know. So it is 10 by 2, that is equal to 5%. 5% need to be fractionized. So 5 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 20. 1 is equal to interest, 20 is equal to principal, amount is equal to interest plus principal, that is equal to 1 plus 20. Here you have to note that this is for half yearly. Previously what we have did is for yearly. So total comprises of 1.5 year. So let's see the total. Here principal for the first year is equal to 10, amount 11. For the next half year, principal is equal to 20, amount is equal to 21. So let's multiply these two. 10 into 20, that is equal to 200. 11 into 21, that is equal to 231. In the problem, the principal amount is given as 6,000. So 200 parts is equal to 6,000. One part is equal to 6,000 by 200, that is equal to 30. Difference is equal to 231 minus 200, that is equal to 31. So compound interest is equal to 31 into 30, that is equal to 930 rupees, is 4% per annum for the first year and 3% per annum for the second year will be. Now let's see the answer. First, rate of interest for the first year is equal to 4%. 4% to fractionize 4 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 25, where 1 is the interest, 25 is the principal. Percentage rate of interest for second year is equal to 3%, that is equal to 3 by 100, where 3 is the interest, 100 is the principal. Now let's see. For the first year, principal is 25, amount is 26. For the second year, principal is 100, amount is 103 rupees. Let's multiply. 25 into 100, that is equal to 2500, and 26 into 103, that is equal to 2678. Let's see the compound interest. Compound interest is equal to the difference between 2678 minus 2500 into 1 part. In the above problem, the principal is given as 6000, which is equal to 2500 parts. Here we need to multiply for 1 part. So I am dividing this 6000 by 2500. That is equal to 142.40 rupees.